At ReAgent, we provide a wide range of chemical manufacturing services from our state-of-the-art facility in the UK. These services include contract manufacturing, contract packing and repacking, chemical blending, bottling and filling. Our services are flexible. They can adapt to your specific requirements and scale as your business grows. You can expect a tailored solution that provides you with excellent value and high quality. The chemicals we handle include hazardous, non-hazardous, corrosive, viscous and toxic substances. We can handle liquids, powders, gels, creams and more. If you need a new formulation, we can develop samples until you're happy with the product. We'll always test any new chemical we manufacture and ensure you're happy with it before we start a full production run. Our team of experienced chemists will offer their advice and expertise when they think a formulation could be changed or improved to perform more effectively or provide additional benefits to you, such as a cost saving or reduced hazards. If you're looking for contract packing or chemical repacking, we can package your chemicals in anything from 2 ml ampules, plastic bottles, jerry cans and IBCs, all the way up to 25,000 litre tankers. We can also label your products either with your own labels or ones we can custom design for you. Meeting stringent quality standards is the driving force behind everything we do. It's something we never compromise on. ReAgent holds the ISO 9001 quality standard and ISO 14001 environmental standard, and we're also accredited to ISO 13485 for medical devices and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety. Our team of experts is on hand every step of the way to provide you with technical advice, samples and ongoing support even after your product has shipped. We'll also help to manage your supply chain and use our ADR approved couriers to safely deliver your product anywhere in the world, whether that's to you or directly to your customers. When you choose to use our service, you have complete traceability on all deliveries. We use unique batch numbers and an advanced in-house tracking database. We can also trace any product back to its raw materials, allowing us to minimise risks and improve quality control. If you're looking for a chemical manufacturing company that will work as an extension of your team and support you with technical advice and industry expertise, contact us today to discuss your requirements.